In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubstaff to Trello. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your project management and time tracking, making your workflow even more efficient. So, let's jump right into it. First, when you're in Hubstaff, you want to begin by navigating to the settings. The settings are generally where you find the control panel for configuring how your software behaves. By accessing the settings, you're opening up a range of options that you can customize for optimal functionality. Once you've clicked on settings, the next step is to look for the integration option. Now, integrations are wonderful because they allow different applications to communicate with each other, streamlining processes that would otherwise be done manually. In the hub of the settings menu, you should locate the integration option and give it a click. It might be under a tab or a drop-down, depending on the layout of your Hubstaff interface. Now, this is where things get specific to what you're trying to achieve. You're here to connect Trello, so in the integration section, you'll want to type in Trello. Typing in Trello will filter your integration options and bring the Trello integration to the forefront. After you've typed in Trello, the next step is straightforward. Click on the Connect button. This action initiates the linking process between Hubstaff and Trello. What you're doing here is essentially telling Hubstaff, I want you to start communicating and sharing data with Trello. From this point, the on-screen instructions will guide you through the rest of the process. Generally, you'll be asked to authorize and authenticate. Pay close attention to these prompts, as they are critical in ensuring that the two applications can share information securely and efficiently. You might be asked to sign into Trello if you aren't already and grant permissions for the integration to pull in necessary data, such as lists, cards, and boards. As these steps progress, keep an eye out for any specific permissions you might need to enable. Depending on the level of integration you seek, you may need to allow Hubstaff certain administrative privacies within Trello. It's important to understand these permissions as they govern what each application can do on the other's behalf. Once you've successfully followed the on-screen instructions and completed the process, your Hubstaff account will now be connected to Trello. This means projects you're managing in Trello can now be tracked in Hubstaff, giving you a comprehensive view of both task progress and time management in one place. And there you have it. Now that you've connected Hubstaff with Trello, you are equipped with a more integrated system to help manage your tasks and time efficiently. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to